Hey, my name is David and today I'll show you how to contact Yahoo Mail customer support team. I want to show you what information I found regarding this and I'd like to share it with you guys in case if you need. So first of all, make sure you are on mail.yahoo.com, hit enter and sign in with your Yahoo account in case you are not signed in already. Make sure you are on this official website. You don't want to contact some scammers and call I don't know who, right? So once you are signed in and on this page on their official website, you'll find a button right here in the bottom right hand corner which is help. I'll press on it and I found that here you will have a bunch of guides and tutorials in case you have a problem and you want to fix something by yourself. Also you have a search bar and if you want to contact them, what I found, I searched for contact in the search bar and this is what I found: get help from Yahoo customer support. I'll press on this article from Yahoo and from what I've read here, paid support option available in select countries. So Yahoo customer support may not be available in all of the countries. They have few countries in which they offer this customer support, and also you can see paid right here, so it may be a paid service. So before you go ahead and call them, you have here some terms which I recommend you reading them, and then you'll find out if your country is available for customer support and also if they will charge you for your problem. Also, this is their official number which I found, so feel free to contact them, but as I noticed, contact paid premium support, so it means it's a paid service. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Also, one more time, be careful from where you'll get their number. This is help.yahoo.com. This is an official website, right? So once again, thanks for watching and I hope this tutorial helped you out. Bye bye.